everybody, welcome back and welcome if you're new. My name is Kimmy, and in today's video, or tonight should I say, I'm going to be sharing with you a little recipe that I just tried. It's sitting in the crock pot right now. If y'all could smell this, it's garlic parmesan seasoning. It's in the Great Value packet at Walmart, just with chicken breast and cut up onions, and it smells delicious. But we're also going to be adding some rotoni. I feel like I'm saying that wrong. Rotini. Rotini pasta and Alfredo sauce as somewhat of a side, or to put underneath the chicken. So I'm so excited for this video. If you're new and you love cleaning motivation, then hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notified every time I upload a cleaning video. I pretty much do them every day, especially this month because it is #Cleanmas and we're on day 17. I should like pat myself on the back because I have never ever completed a Vlogmas or a Vlogtober. I've tried, I've failed, but this year we are doing it. So I cannot believe we are already to day 17. There's not many days left. We're doing this up until December 24th, so get excited. I have some laundry to do. I have a beautiful dog that is staring at me. She's so beautiful. She looks like a little deer. So cute. I have dishes to clean. Like, there are just always things to do in the house. Also, I need to clean Aaron's bathroom because I always forget to do that. So without further ado, let's get into this video. First, I'm going to show you what's in the crock pot. So I did open it for a thumbnail, so hopefully a bunch of steam does not come out of this, but it smells, y'all, it smells so good. Okay, so I have like 6 chicken breasts in there, and they're probably done by now. And I added the seasoning, and all that liquid you see in there is just from the chicken. And then I cut up an onion. I love onion. If I could put onion in everything, I would. But I have the chicken breast in there. I've had it on low since 12 o'clock. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And then still got to get rid of this pizza box. Okay, up here I have the Alfredo sauce and the rotini pasta that I'm going to do on the bottom. I also have, there's a bigger thing of it in there, but I love this Badia complete seasoning. This is so good in any kind of pastas, pretty much on anything you can think of. I use this almost for everything. And then of course, if y'all can see my Old Bay seasoning, I use that for all sorts of things as well. But today I'm gonna stick to this, probably some garlic salt, which I would need to find that for the Alfredo sauce, because this just is like a regular sauce, so it's gonna need some zhuzhing some zhuzhing up. But that is the plan for dinner. But I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning up. I've got some dishes that need to be done, and the floor needs to be vacuumed, so I want to get some cleaning up done before I cook my pasta. Also, while I'm cleaning, I'm going to be watching Elf. Hello, Will Ferrell. I hope you're doing good today. Anyways, look at this living room. It's always the same thing, y'all. Fold the blanket, pick up the plates and the stuff wedged in the chair. Anyways, let's get to it.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart. Cause I know we won't make it out, I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know
that another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Stuck in an endless fight like every night. It still feels right. Even the words can sting, I wouldn't change a thing. Cause without you everything means nothing. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right. Sitting there by the phone, hoping you'll answer yours. Baby, let's talk until we're fine. You've been in bed for days, empty without me, you say. Can't you just magically turn up in mine? Then you knock on my door on the come a little closer.
how can I compare thee? It started out like a movie scene, something straight out of a magazine. I crossed my fingers you'd come to me. Then all of a sudden it became reality. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind, your loving is all that I need. I'd climb a mountain, I'd clear the sea. For you I'd do anything, my remedy. You gave me a purpose, now I'm on my feet. I'm dancing to the pounding of your heartbeat. Your eyes sing the sweetest melody. Don't care about no gold, no one else to hit my phone up. None of that pretentious life. No, 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 don't need no pills to get high. There's no doubt in my mind, your loving is all that I need. It's all that I need. All I need is your loving. All I need
y'all know how I use that red and white stripe? Santa! Anyways, I use that red and white striped towel thing to draw off my dishes. Because I couldn't find this, and it's because it was under a bunch of clutter. I'm sorry, Chloe, I'm yelling. She don't like it when I yell. Alright, back to the music.
I'm still tired when I wake up, like my dream's still near. Snooze bottom, my best friend now. Get me away from here. I got plans, I got things to do. Gotta do my hours, do my hours. Why is everything so damn hard? Gray skies and rain clouds. I postpone everything, worrying about stupid things. When is it my turn to start living? 'Cause I remember growing up, we rode our bikes all over town, spending all our cash on candy bars. And no one ever told us that tomorrow it might not be gone. Sunny days replaced with weekend jobs. I don't wanna turn back time, I just wanna feel that I'm living life with clarity.
Alright, so dinner is about done. Got my noodles boiling. Don't worry, I'll wash my hands after I clean the bathroom. But the house is looking pretty good. Here's the kitchen table. And the living room. All I gotta do is put up my vacuum cleaner. And have y'all seen this at night? I don't think so. Oh, and look. Rudolph down there. Anyways, I will show y'all the plates when we're done. And look at my baby. Look, Chloe. Hi, baby. Hi. She's not having it. She's almost 9. Anyways, in February. Alright, so here's dinner. Super easy. Alfredo sauce. Rotini noodles, the chicken breast, onion, and then that seasoning pack already came with a seasoning, but I did add this and the garlic salt to the sauce and stirred it up before I added the noodles. That way it would be evenly distributed, but we still have some left over, probably like 2 portions left over after I fix Aaron's plate, because I fixed all the chickens. There's like 4 or 5 pieces of chicken in here. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this clean and cook with me video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. I forgot to read comments. I always forget to do that, so let me find one real quick to read. But as I was gonna say is, if you're new, leave a comment down below and I will hopefully read it in the next video. So this one's from Jessica Vlogs. She says, "You go, girlfriend. I needed this video today. I got a lot of cleaning done and this video was so motivating." Thank you so much, Jessica. Jessica also has a YouTube channel where she does vlogs. So Jessica Vlogs. Let's see. Vida said, "Congrats on the vacuum." This video was the one that says all day clean. It was the ultimate mobile home cook and clean with me. And then Mary said she has a shark vacuum too. Molly said she got the bathroom organization gave her a lot of motivation to clean her room. So thank y'all so much for leaving your comments. Make sure you keep doing that so I can keep reading them. And I will see y'all back here in the next video. Bye.
I don't usually fall for someone. I don't even care.